Hey guys, I'm heading out to regel the Bayliner today, and then we're gonna do an American tug, a red-hulled American tug. So I'm driving over there today. I'm picking up a few supplies, but what I want before you guys see this next shot here, because this is the Bayliner, we did the port side yesterday, and what I want to remind everybody, this is not a $100,000 paint job. If you want your boat painted, you can spray this stuff, but we are putting it on with a foam applicator, and we're hand putting it on. So I want you to be clear that you'll still see some of those little marks from the sponge and stuff like that when you're up very close to it, because these pictures, I do not want to deceive anybody. It looks amazing. The transformation looks more than amazing. It looks incredible. So I just want that disclaimer before you guys see this next part of this video. Guys, I'm out here. We're gonna regel this hull today, and the boatyard has done all the prepping on it, and we're training them to apply the product. So they've done all of the processes all the way up to the wax and grease remover. This is the actual catalyst and the regel right here. Doing right now is I'm just prepping, going through any little tiny spot that I see that I don't like or I want to touch up. I'm putting little rags inside these holes right here, so because I don't want any moisture coming out of them. This is our first one that we're doing on the hard, and you can see we have some scaffolding set up to come get around here. That'll get the first like 2 feet. Then I believe I can probably reach around here pretty easy. We'll remove the scaffolding, get it out of the way. But I'm gonna kind of also go over my game plan as far as how I'm gonna apply the gel coat too at the same time.
Okay, last step before we start applying the product is we put on the grease and wax remover.
Now we're just applying the degreaser and just wiping the hull down, getting it ready. The boatyard did a fantastic job prepping this thing. So it looks like all we have to do is degrease. You see, like I said earlier, I put the little things in there to keep any moisture coming out of those. Let's see what happens. Product will change RV and boating, and this, I mean, it looks unreal, but this is it. Out here, I'm looking at the Bayliner, and this is early morning, and I do not want to apply the product in this much sunlight. So they sent me a picture yesterday what it looked like at 3:30 in the afternoon, and why I'm bringing this up, because it's very, very important. You do not want to apply this product in this condition right here. Now, if this was in the water, I would just flip it around and I would apply it in the shaded side. The temperature's correct, but I don't want to apply it in direct sunlight. Also, this is in a boatyard. You could have a professional sprayer come out here and spray the boat, but it's the difference between, let's say it cost you could do this yourself, DIY, do all the prep work and everything yourself, and buy this kit, a small kit. This haul would take a medium kit, and you have your total investment is your time and a few $100s in product. Now, if you want to spend $10,000 and regel it and have it sprayed, you can do that even at a yard like this, but you're gonna pay their painter to come out and spray it on here, prep the ground. All the ground has to be, they have to put tarps down, there's a lot of work. Everything has to be taped off, and you can't get overspray on other people's stuff. So you can spend that kind of money and do it like that if you wanted to, or you can DIY it and do it yourself like we are on this Bayliner. I just ran my hand down it, and you can see like it's just full of mildew. So that's why it looks like that. But today, when all this mildew comes off of here, this hull looks amazing. I know, it's not as easy as it once was.
The body just doesn't...
No, it doesn't do the same thing it did when we were 20 or 30.
My right shoulder is about shot.
Believe this hull, now we're doing the other side right now, but it's hard to believe this hull is going to transform into anything. But we've done all 3 steps: cleaning, washing, scuffing, and now it's ready for de-waxer and to actually apply the product, which we will do tomorrow. All right, guys, some of you guys are saying, when's that old crazy bastard gonna get back on a boat? Hell, I don't know. It could never happen. Anyway, I got good news and bad news. You wanna hear the good news? I replayed my lotto tickets. The bad news is I already spent the money, but I didn't win last night. So I gotta get out here and pedal some more regel. So we'll see what happens today. This red boat's probably gonna kick my ass. I'm really nervous about it. We'll see what happens. I did a couple spots last night before I left the boat. Turned out amazing. But I don't want to overbuild the expectations of it, because this is not a miracle cure for anybody or anything. Well, guys, I'm leaving the wharf. I just had a wonderful lunch with a great group of people. All we did was talk loop and strategy and stuff like that. A lot of fun. And it was a birthday, so one of them's birthday, so it was a lot of fun celebrating that with them. Now I'm gonna head over to the red-hulled American tug, and we're going to at least regel one side of it today. We'll see what happens if we can do both sides, but I'm not gonna rush that boat. What I'm doing is this is the degreaser. We did 2 days of on it. And now this is just going over the hull. I'm looking at it. We've already saw a spot that we went on here. We had to clean something off of it, but that's all I'm doing is just degreasing, checking the work. And I don't want to really touch this. I don't really want to touch it until I get ready to, I don't want to touch it now until the Gelcoat goes on, or the regel. Well, here we go. Big red. So you guys can see, like, this just looks unbelievable. All right, guys, Captain Paul, the red boat turned out amazing. Now I'm gonna finish up a couple of things and then head out for the holidays. But anybody needs any help with this product, just let me know. I can call video time. I can even come out to the boat if necessary, or your RV. Anyway, peace out. Remember, live life with no regret. I do. And thank you guys so much for watching. It's been an amazing week here in Gulf Shores with all the stuff I had planned. Thank you guys. Peace out. Love.